To supporters, Bradley Manning is a whistleblowing hero and a prisoner of politics. Others say he is a traitor who endangered the lives of Americans and national security. Ann Wright is a retired U.S. Army colonel who supports Bradley Manning.
I really appreciate what Bradley Manning has done in exposing the truth about so many issues concerning foreign policy that I was a part of.
Stephen Bucci of the Heritage Foundation calls Manning a spy.
What Private First Class Manning did is espionage. He broke the trust that he gave to the nation.
During opening arguments, the prosecution charged that Manning aided the enemy when he gave a huge batch of classified documents, including diplomatic cables and military reports from battlefields, to Wikileaks. Defense attorneys countered that Manning was a young, naive, but well-intentioned soldier who wanted to make the world a better place. Manning was serving as an intelligence analyst in Iraq when he was arrested there 3 years ago. He is charged with the biggest leak of classified material in U.S. history. The documents infuriated U.S. officials as they provided blunt and unflattering views of world leaders. Prosecutors say there is also evidence Osama bin Laden viewed the classified material.
You're clear.
Manning also released video of a U.S. airstrike in which civilians were killed, including 2 Reuters news agency employees. He has already pleaded guilty to charges that could bring 20 years behind bars. But the military is pressing ahead with more serious charges that could carry a life sentence. Morris Davis is a former chief military prosecutor at Guantanamo Bay. He says the prosecution is overzealous.
There's been embarrassment, but there's a big difference in being embarrassed and being harmed. And I just haven't seen much evidence of there being any harm.
But others say prosecutors are trying to send a message. Again, Stephen Bucci of the Heritage Foundation.
Well, I hope the message is it's against the law, and you don't get the right to violate the law without being punished for it.
The debate goes on outside the courtroom. Lawyers predict the court-martial will last about 12 weeks.
Free Bradley Manning!
Meredith Buel, VOA News, Fort Meade, Maryland.
Bradley! Bradley! Bradley!